To install apps from unknown sources on Xiaomi 17, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and search for Security and Privacy. Once you open Security and Privacy, you should be able to scroll down and go to More Security and Privacy. Now over here, we should be able to proceed to special permissions that we have at the top. And then in here we can find Install Unknown Apps. Now over here we can find the list of apps that can, at least in theory, install other apps. So let's say you have downloaded an app using the Chrome browser. What you need to do to install this unknown app is you need to choose the Chrome browser over here, and you want to allow the Chrome browser to install apps. Of course, if you try to enable this option, you get this danger information. That of course this is a highly sensitive permission, but you can tap on I'm aware of the possible risks and then press OK over here after 10 seconds, and there we go. Now you should be able to install an app from an unknown source by using your, in this case, the Chrome browser, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.